HardRider would like to thank all the riders that have bought kits from us over the years, and in particular over the last few months. This year has turned out to be one of our best years to date, so thank you for your business. For spring 2025, we have new stock coming in, and we have some stock of all 3 nitrous, turbo, and superchargers. So give us calls soon. HardRider has the lowest prices on performance motorcycle products anywhere. All of our products are ride-proven, all with over 25 years of experience, and all have with hundreds of thousands of miles of experience. Our spring 2025 super special is the Hayabusa Gen 2 kit, and we have this on special for $2,900. That is a great price for a totally complete, proven kit that uses the stock oil cooler and rad, making it great for competition street riding. Check us out at hardrider.net.